Connell, thank you very much. Well, did the Fed just rescue homeowners with its surprise rate cut? Real estate broker Connie DeGroot says yes, but Chip Cummings disagrees. He's the author of Mortgage Myths. So, Connie, you're upbeat today. Why?
Yes, well, because the Fed came in on like this white horse with a bold, strong move, and that is exactly what we need. Some people are thinking that they might know something that's terrible, and that's why they made that move, but I choose to believe that they have been a little bit maybe taking their time before they've cut things, and maybe now they're going to be more aggressive and they're going to get in there, and I think that's what consumers are looking for, and that's what the market needs. So I'm very encouraged, very encouraged.
But Chip, not you. Why not?
No, it's not going to do anything, Neil. You know, you and I talked about this a month ago, and that the Fed's been real wishy-washy on this area, and it's sort of like raising a white flag. First thing, and you know, in the book we talk about Mortgage Myth 13, the Fed doesn't control interest rates. The bond market does. But the fact is right now credit is so tapped out that, you know, why don't we lower it to 2% and see what happens? It's just not going to give the stimulus that we need in the housing market to really have an effect at all.
You know what I worry about, Connie? The issue that, you know, no matter how low rates go and no matter how low home prices go, it's cheaper certainly get a house, cheaper to borrow to get that house, but it's very tough to get approved for a loan because the lending standards have gotten so much tougher, right?
I agree. I agree. Well, lenders need to gain more confidence, and also consumers. So, lenders are in the business of giving loans. So at some point,
but they're not giving them. They're not giving them. I think there are a lot of consumers who are eager to do it, but maybe lenders, because they've become so gun-shy about this, man, you have to be, really on top of everything to get money now.
Well, if you're well qualified, as I've been saying all along, if you're well qualified, then you can get a loan. I'm speaking to my lenders on a daily basis, and the loans are out there. I had somebody actually ask me about a week ago, they wanted to try and get 100% financing, and the best my lender could do was 90%, but that was amazing. So there are still terrific loans out there.
All right, well, Chip, you're not buying it, though, right? No. You think what we've got is a little bit more systemic? Explain.
It is. Well, Neil, I mean, the people with good credit have never had a problem getting money. That's not the point. The point is that the banks are getting nervous, and now consumers are getting nervous by the Fed raising the red flags here and saying, whoa, you know what? You may be right. There is a recession possibly on the horizon. They're not taking a proactive stance. They're being reactive, and the markets are just not going to buy it. The money is there for the people with the real good credit, but it's always been that way.
All right, guys, thank you both very much. We'll see how this all sorts out.